Hey guys, what's good today everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Arnold TV. And for today's video, we're going to open a box. You know this one already guys, is sneakers. I have a Retropy E5. This is the colorway which are my favorite, black and white. So let's open Adidas Retropy E5. Alright. There we go. Yeah. Wow. It's brand new. See? It's a Retropy E5 because it looks like this is retro design, and the outsole is a modern outsole. And you know guys, nobody knows about midsole boost, so you like walking in the clouds. You know. So we have another one. So as you can see, the rubber outsole, midsole. It's classic color, black and white with gum outsole, rubber outsole. Yeah. This is a very comfortable shoe. This is my fifth collection, which is this color is my favorite. It's a clean look. Here is a suede. That's it. So let's try on fit. Guys, please support my YouTube to subscribe my channel, comment down below and like this video, and let me know if you like this colorway. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe again, and thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. See you for the next one. Bye bye.